ये भी Unbox welcomes you to watch unboxing and review of 3 Cruise premium cotton boxers from Modern Crew. Let's do सीधी बात no बकवास. Let's see this very first one. This is M Eclipse. This is the front. Concealed button fly for a quick action. This is the back. One pocket on the back. Comfortable waistband. This is how it is from inside. 100% premium cotton, therefore going to be durable and comfortable. Made in India, that makes you feel proud. Very decent color and design. Side cuts for stylish look. This is floating pebbles. This is Starry Night. The size of the boxer is little bigger, therefore I would suggest that you should buy one size smaller than your usual. The price of one single boxer is little higher, but when you buy a set of 3 then it lowers down and is worth buying. Tell me your silly opinion on these boxers in the comment. If new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. We'll be again doing Seedhi Baat No Bakwas.